Hi there! Today we're going to make envelopes and decorate a letter. For this craft, you're going to need a piece of paper to write your letter, paper for your envelope depending on the size you would like and what you want it to look like, glue or a stapler, whichever you have, some colored pencils or crayons or markers to make your letter pretty, and I like to put stickers on my letters, so if you've got stickers, bring them out. Let's get started! I've chosen 3 different sizes and 3 different papers for this project to show you today. I've got colored paper, a page from an old book, and then a regular size piece of letter paper, because that's probably what you have at home, and that's what will fit a letter the best. Now to make your envelope, you start with the top 2 edges. Fold them into the center so that they line up together. It can be a little bit finicky, but just keep trying and you'll get there. Push those sides down really well. So that's the top of my paper. I'm going to turn my paper sideways and fold over the one side. You want the corner to line up with the edge. And then I'm going to do the same on the other side. This is one of those things that just simply takes practice. Then I'm going to take the bottom and I'm going to fold it up right to the top edge of my top piece, pushing down nice and hard. Then to finish off the envelope, I'll fold this top piece down. And voila, a little envelope. I'm going to glue my envelope down on these side pieces here because I want to be able to still fit things inside of my envelope. When I glue something, I like to put clips on it just to make sure that it stays nice and tight while it dries. So I'm going to fold my colored piece of paper as well. And this is where I'm going to show you that if you don't have glue, a stapler works just fine. I put 2 staples on each side. Now you can use any kind of paper that you have at home, including regular letter size paper, which is what this orange piece of paper is. This size would fit a letter perfectly. Now it's time to write our letter. I made this video when we were all social distancing inside, and so I thought writing a letter is a wonderful way to connect with people. I've got my stickers set aside, and I like to decorate my letters before I write anything so that I know how much space I have for the message. You can decorate your letter however you like. You can draw squiggly lines, you can write little words, put stickers wherever you like, doodle something if you're good at drawing. Anything you like to make the letter look pretty and exciting for somebody to open. The perfect thing to brighten up somebody's day. Now that I've written my letter, I'm going to fold it so that it fits in my envelope perfectly. Slide it right in. And then when I send letters in the mail, I don't trust stickers to keep things closed. So I always put some tape on, and then what I'll do is I'll cover that tape with stickers so it looks pretty. Of course, you don't have to use your envelopes for letters. You can store things in them. Thanks for stopping by. I'll see you for the next craft.